Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Xiaomi. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Hardware and System Info. Now you need to open it, and thanks to this app, find out all the information about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!